Picture this. You have just opened your dream cafe in the heart of your city. Business is booming and the customers are raving about your coffee, pastries and sandwiches. But as you expand, managing the business become more complex. You have got data pouring in, sales figures, customer preferences, peak hours, but making sense of it all feel overwhelming. Now imagine having a crystal clear dashboard where you can see which items are flying off shelves, which days brings the most revenue, and how your sales trend over time. That's the power of Tableau. It transforms messy overwhelming data into clean actionable insights. And the core of Tableau magic are the charts. These visual tools are the secret to uncovering hidden patterns, making smarter decisions, and driving growth in any field, whether you're running a cafe, managing a marketing campaign, or analyzing financial reports. In this video, we will dive into the top 5 charts every Tableau user should know. Not only we will show you how to create them, but I will explain when and why you to use each one, and with real world examples. Here's the lineup we're gonna cover in that. First, we see bar chart for comparing categories. Then we see line charts for spotting trends over time. Then we see pie chart for visualizing proportions. And after that, we see scatter plots for identifying relationships. And then we see maps for geographical insights. Let's jump into it with one of the most versatile visualization, the bar chart. The bar chart is for comparing categories. Let's say your cafe, offers coffee, sandwiches, pastries, and smoothies. You want to know which categories drives the most sales. The bar chart is perfect for this. In Tableau, what you need to do is to drag the category field to column and sales to row to make it visualize and crystal clear which one is the best seller. Bar charts are perfect for comparing categories like sales by product, category or subcategory. Let's see the step by step to create a bar chart in Tableau. What you need to do is you first need to open your sample superstore dataset. Just drag your order sheet to the data pane and here's the black canvas open for you. Now, what's the main point is find the category. So here's my category, drag it to the column, okay, and find the sales. Here's my sales, drag it to rows. See, it created me what? A bar chart. Let me expand for you. See, it created me a bar chart. Like Tableau automatically generate a bar chart showing sales for furniture, office supplies, and technology. For more detail, drag subtitles subcategory to the column shelf to the next to category. I will take the subcategory to the here in column shelf next to that. See, in more detail, let me sort it down for you. I will sort it in ascending order, and let me take sales to color. See how visually it looks, easy and simple, and showing in subcategories ways like furniture is in, furniture in subcategory furnishings has sales of 91,705. And if you see in the color, the lighter one has the small sales and the dark one has the dark sales, means the high sales. These charts show the office supplies have the lowest sales while technology leads. Based on this, you might decide the promote office supplies or invest more in technology products. I hope you have got a solid grasp of bar charts. Now let's move on to the line charts to tackle trends. Let me make another sheet for you now. So the line chart, imagine you want to tackle your cafe's monthly revenue. To understand if you are growing consistently, a line chart helps you visualize trends over time effortlessly. In Tableau, what you need to do is to drag the date field to the column shelf and sales to row. We will see in step by step. Then you need to select the line chart option from the top. You will see a clear line connecting date point across months, highlighting growth patterns on dips. Line charts are ideal for analyzing trends over time, such as monthly sales or profit. Let's see step by step to create it so you can easily know how to create a line chart. As we have superstore sample dataset, we need to find the order date. What we need to find that order date. Okay, so order date is here. Let me take it to the column shelf. I will take it to the column shelf and then drag sales to the row shelf. I will take my sales and sales to row shelf. See, it created me a line chart. For more visuals, what we can do is we can take sales to text, label text. See, it show me clearly that these are the your labels, that these at this point at this year you have gone this much sale. At this year at 2015 I got 4,70,533 sales. For that you will able to get that this is my lines. Add, for more details, what you need to do, add category to color to see trends by product category. I will take my category to colors and see. Now it's showing me the perfect, example of how the categories are explained in, trends over time. This chart shows a spikes in sale during November and December, likely due to holiday shopping. Knowing this, you could plan a marketing campaign for the holiday season to maximize revenue. Line charts are done. Next up, let's explore, proportion with pie chart. So let me make another sheet. So in pie chart help visualize proportion like the percentage contribution of each product category to total sales. Let's take an example of it and to create in a Tableau. Once you open it and you need to find the category column. So here's my category column. Drag it to the column shelf. Okay, I will drag it to the column shelf. Now drag sales to row. I will take my sales to the rows. It created me a bar chart right now. Now switch the map card to pie. What you need to do is it's create, here is the option. You can see it's automatic. Create to pie. Here's my pie. Now you can see that in pie wise it has the like categorized. For more detail, just drag color to sales and to angle. What you need to do is take category to colors, okay, and sales to angle. See, it created me a now bar chart, a small bar chart. But if you need to size it up, just make it from here. See, from here you can make it a little wider for you. Make a really interesting pie chart that reveals that technology, in technology that contribute the most of total sales, while furniture that contributes the least. These insights can guide your marketing or inventory decision. Got the hang of pie chart? Great. Let's scatter more some insight with scatter plot. So fourth is scatter plot, which identifying relationship. Scatter plots are fantastic for uncovering relationships such as link between discount percentage and profit. Let's take an example to create a scatter plot in Tableau. What we need to do is we need to first drag categories to colors. I will take my category to color itself. Now once it's done, now I need to differentiate data points by category. Now add region to detail for additional segmentation. I will take my region to detail. Once it's been done, now the scatter plot shows that the higher is the discounts often led to negative points, especially in the furniture category. The insights can help you optimize discount, getting strategies to improve profitably. For more details, what you need to do is go to show me and go to, I will take my category. Let's see in line chart what we need. Like one major shelf, I will take sales to the rows. Now, as we have created the line chart for this by years, now let me take for the scatter plot. What you need to do is, let's say these are my packet bubble. These are the scatter plot here. Here what we need is scatter plot 2 to 4 measures. Like I have take some and I will take my profit here. Now take it to C. They have created in sales. Okay, let me take now region. Where is my region to colors? See, in detail it's showing me very much clearly now. Let me take more differently by adding category, region to detail, and my category shelf to color. See how it's showing me that in office supplies in South in 2014 has profit of this and sales of this. that make a clear insight that how you need to make a scatter plot that are sorted. Excellent. Let's explore geographical insights with maps next. Make another sheet for the maps. Now, in maps are great for understanding sales performance across region or states. Let's see the step to create a map in Tableau. Once you open your sheet, just you need to drag sales to size and profit to colors. I will take my sales column to size and what you need to take the profit to color on the mark card. I will take my profit to color. Now, if you want to see which category you want for the map, just go over here and see one geo dimension, zero more dimension for that, and one measure. Okay. Now once it's done, Tableau create a filled map where states are sized. But let me say I will take sales column. I will take state here in column shelf. Okay. I will state my column shelf and sales in row shelf. See, it has make me a map here, guys, that see me that how much sums of sales I have been there. So let me show. See, they have created a map that highlight that which point have the highest sales at which city. Hover over each state to see detailed sales and profit values for that. Now the map shows that California has the highest sales, but the Texas has significant sales with lower point. These insights could promote you to invest issues in Texas like high shipping cost or excessive discount. Maps are done. Let's wrap with the summary of it. So what we have done, today we have covered the top 5 charts that every Tableau user should know using the sample superstore dataset. First, we see bar chart for comparing sales across categories. Then we see line chart for tackling trends over time. Then we see pie chart for understanding categories contribution. Then we see scatter plots for identifying relationship like discount versus profit. And then we see maps for visualizing geographical insight. These charts are not just tools, they are the foundation of impactful data storytelling. Start practicing these in Tableau and you will uncover insight that can transform your decision making. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of an IT knowledge. We are always here to help you and navigate you to the tech world.